Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2022 Can-Am RYKER 900 Sport with 35 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with traction control, keyless ignition, reverse, and ABS. It's been upgraded with Can-Am passenger seat and Can-Am passenger footrests. The RYKER is a unique three-wheeled vehicle. It stands out even among other trikes with its agility, design, and performance. Powered by an 899cc three-cylinder engine, the RYKER puts 82 horsepower and 58 foot-pounds of torque through a CVT transmission. It weighs in at 616 pounds and has a 23.5-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.